ever-evolving landscape of military technology, Oshkosh Defense's Joint Light Tactical Vehicle JLTV has emerged as a formidable force, revolutionizing the capabilities of the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. With production exceeding 18,500 units, the JLTV is not merely a vehicle but a symbol of cutting-edge design, mobility, and protection. This video will delve into the intricacies of the JLTV, exploring its features, capabilities, and the role it plays in modern warfare. Evolution of military mobility. The JLTV represents a quantum leap in automotive design, aiming to replace a significant portion of the Army's conventional fleet. Built from the ground up, its core design principle is to provide a light, tactical, and mobile vehicle with substantial protective capabilities against a diverse range of enemy attacks. Weighing in at approximately 14,000 pounds, the JLTV boasts a unique combination of mobility and protection, setting it apart from its predecessors. Speed, protection, and off-road dominance. With the ability to reach speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, the JLTV is not just about armor, it's about agility. Oshkosh Defense has equipped the vehicle with the TAC-4 Intelligent Independent Suspension System, enhancing off-road mobility in challenging terrains. This system allows for variable ride height suspension, crucial for adapting to mission requirements and ensuring the vehicle's transportability by air, including sling loading beneath large helicopters. Next-generation technologies. The JLTV is not just a metal beast, it's a tech marvel. Infused with next-generation sensors and communication technologies, it provides soldiers with enhanced situational awareness in fast-moving combat scenarios. The vehicle's ability to integrate with the latest C4 ISR kits and networking technologies underscores its role as a key player in the modern battlefield, supporting the Army's emphasis on networking capabilities. Power and variance. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle is not just a manifestation of cutting-edge engineering and armor, it is a testament to the versatility demanded by modern warfare. At its core, the JLTV is a powerhouse, both in terms of raw power and the diverse array of variants tailored to meet specific mission requirements. Engine power and efficiency. The heart of the JLTV lies in its formidable engine, a 250 to 360 horsepower beast propelling the vehicle forward. This 6.6-liter diesel engine isn't just about sheer force. It symbolizes a delicate balance between power and efficiency, with a 570-amp alternator generating up to 10 kilowatts of exportable power. The JLTV is not merely a mode of transportation, but a mobile power station, crucial for supporting the Army's network and the integration of cutting-edge technologies. Fuel economy and sustainability. In an era where environmental sustainability is a growing concern, the JLTV stands out with its emphasis on fuel economy. Leveraging the latest diesel engine technology, the vehicle maximizes fuel efficiency without compromising its combat capabilities. This commitment to fuel efficiency is paramount, given the Army's increasing reliance on electronic sensors, computing systems, and fire control technologies that demand a robust and sustainable power source. Configurations for every mission. The JLTV family is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a meticulously crafted ensemble of configurations designed to excel in diverse missions. The utility-based vehicle platform, M1278, with its two-door configuration, is optimized for specific tasks, offering a balance between mobility and functionality. On the other end of the spectrum, the general-purpose M1280 and close combat weapons carrier M1281 configurations, both with four-door setups, are tailored to provide enhanced mission-specific capabilities. Specialized mission packages. Each designated M configuration is not just a standalone vehicle. It is a platform onto which specialized mission packages can be integrated seamlessly. These mission packages transform the JLTV into a multifunctional tool, adapting to the demands of various scenarios. From heavy gun carriers to close combat weapons carriers, the JLTV's adaptability ensures that it can be deployed across a spectrum of missions, offering the flexibility required in the dynamic landscape of modern warfare. Ambulance and beyond. The JLTV's utility extends beyond combat, as evidenced by its ambulance variant showcased at the Association of the United States Army Global Force Symposium. The ambulance variant, based on the utility configuration, demonstrates the JLTV's capability to serve in humanitarian and medical roles. With the capacity to hold 4 litters or up to 8 seated patients, the JLTV adapts to the evolving needs of military operations, showcasing its versatility on and off the battlefield. The price tag conundrum. While the exact price of the JLTV is a closely guarded secret by Oshkosh, estimates put the average procurement unit cost at $333,000. This figure includes not just the vehicle but also trailers, specialized mission equipment, spare parts, and support. Considering the advanced features and capabilities packed into the JLTV, it stands as a testament to the investment made in modernizing military fleets. The future of modern warfare. As the JLTV continues to evolve, questions arise about its role in modern warfare. Its integration with heavier weapons prompts considerations about speed and expeditionary warfare. The JLTV's unparalleled speed and deployability, coupled with the precision of advanced weaponry, redefine offensive combat maneuvers. The vehicle's networked capabilities also align with the concept of combined arms maneuver, creating a highly integrated combat platform for real-time force coordination. The JLTV is more than just a military vehicle. It's a testament to innovation and adaptability. From its humble beginnings to becoming a silent warrior on the battlefield, the JLTV signifies a new era in military mobility and technology. As it continues to evolve, one thing is certain: the JLTV has firmly secured its place as a key player in shaping the future of modern warfare. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the incredible world of military innovation and the JLTV. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support fuels our mission to bring you the latest insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.